Another star by production. Yeah. She used to but I treated her so bad. I wish I never had. Now she's hanging out with someone new. She used to care for me. Can't believe what I have done. I've lost the only one. I guess that it was overdue. What was I thinking? Mine was deceiving. That I could do anything to rock the boat. Rock the boat. Drinking and smoking. Friday night gambling. Now I've lost the only woman that I love the most. Yeah. I never ever listened to a word she said. I never had, now she's hanging out with someone new. She used to care for me. Used to care for me. Can't believe what I have done. I've lost the only one. I guess that it was overdue. Listen, I was enjoying. I was not even thinking. But I pushed her to the point of no return. Yeah.
Be a badness.
But me never call no chicken. You get every day. I'm hearing of your tyranny, but mine and jealousy. So here is the deal. No call me name in your mouth, for I'm not fronting. Take heed of what I'm saying. This is a serious something small fry. Flopping off your mouth, but me no cater for no screw face. Me a born better you cannot take my place. I'm staying at your lane. Now make me reach down on the ends and slow down your pace. I'm a real black brother. A true black brother. But no take me for no simple guy. For I will pull you down off your bumps and cry. I'm a good black brother, black brother, but don't take me for no funny guy. For I will pop you down and tear off your stripes. Ooh. They wanna take me for a fool. Now go make them sit down on my table and yam off me food. Standing firm, never weak. Father God always protect. You must to protect them. Never you hurt your children. To care and to share and prepare and
Be a badness.